Hi guys, this is Shahnawaz Karim, and I am right now, at Ducati Delhi showroom just to witness the new Multistrada V4S. And let me hide it for you. Yes. So the beauty about this motorcycle is that this motorcycle is one of the first motorcycle in the world which comes in the adventure category with the radar assisted cruise control system. And not just that, it comes with complete tech loaded. Let me show you the whole details. Let's start from here. You will like this nifty box where you can keep your phone and you can charge it. Here are all the switch controls. This is the clutch lever where you also have the clutch cylinder for the hydraulic clutch, and this is the switch gear. So it just goes off on from here. Here's the typical Ducati system of having the rear view mirror positioned on the outside. Then comes the front view. Look at this massive section. One great thing about this windshield is that it can be adjusted with just one finger. Just one finger. Now it comes with a touch button electric start. The new indicators, because the motorcycle is for the enduro segment, is now tucked in on the inside on this panel. And all the air is now coming out from this section where the radiator is, along with the radiator fan. You will see that the motorcycle also has this signature Ducati color. Coming behind over here, this is the exhaust. Look at how slim the profile is. And then comes the other side where you will notice the suspension. This suspension is the skyhook suspension, and the engine is the V4 Gran Turismo. So this is about the look and feel of the motorcycle. If you look closely, you will see how wide the handlebar is, how comfortable this position would be. I will show you in a while. So here's Nakul. Let's see his position. Little bit straighter on the knees. Yes. I think he's got a good position over here.
My chin is up.
His chin is up. Yeah, right now, because the handlebar is set up on the road version, road setup is there, so it needs to come up for our kind of riding style, but you understand.
This is comfortable.
Move on this side. That's it.
I can slide.
See how comfortable he is while standing as well. Yeah, don't fall down. Yeah. So guys, that's the Ducati Multistrada V4S, and with this motorcycle, I think Ducati has set a new benchmark in the industry across the world, especially after winning a couple of rallies internationally. So I think this will also change the way the motorcycles need to be looked and perceived, especially in the enduro segment. So yeah, that's what this motorcycle calls for. So I'll talk about the features in the next section. So till that time, do not forget to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon to get more updates from us.